So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and do this quick video, give you guys an update on the Chapter 22 Iowa Code open records lawsuit that I filed in Blackhawk County District Court. This started back in, I want to say, March of 2018, April, June, May, June, July, August. And I've just had a heck of a time getting open records from the Blackhawk County Sheriff's Department, which it claims to be a fairly transparent organization according to the sheriff himself. But his department is the only one that I've had issues with getting open records from. So last month, the IPIB, Iowa Public Information Board, had a ruling that they were going to consolidate and dismiss it. They decided to table it for 30 days. Today, I got an order stating that they consolidated and dismissed it and declined action or jurisdiction in two other complaints alleging that they were basically violating Chapter 22 themselves. By allowing the Blackhawk County Sheriff's Department to present what they did. Basically, my dispute was that they were asking for payment for two deputies to review if something was confidential, which, I would assume that a investigative organization like the Sheriff's Department, or certainly the sheriff himself, would know if something's confidential. Nonetheless, they told me the fees required two deputies to determine if it was confidential and releasable, even though the second deputy was not a custodial person of the record. So basically, they wanted me to pay for two deputies' time, all the way up to $960, by the way, to determine if these records were in fact confidential. When Iowa Code 22.7 specifically outlines things that would be confidential, it should be without saying that the possessor of a record should know whether that record's a confidential record or if it's a releasable record. I would also hope that with the way taxes are charged in this county and the way that operating budgets are, that we would not be having a county sheriff participating directly in confidential informant investigations or anything of that nature, which was their other claim. So nonetheless, I've filed the lawsuit. I'm going to go ahead and challenge it in district court and say that the Iowa Public Information Board basically violated their duty to order the records released or to order fees that were in accordance with the law, which does not say that you can charge for two people, does not say you can charge to determine if something is confidential. It specifically outlines what is confidential. So that, and then charging the Sheriff's Department basically with withholding the records. The interesting thing is, just an update too, I did ask Mr. Thompson, the sheriff of Blackhawk County, last week to let me know how to file a complaint against an officer, and I'm still waiting for a response for that. So I'll be filing an open record on that as well, to get that email at least showing that he received it. I do appreciate your time. I'll keep you updated. Remember, my constitutional rights.us.